So in this video I will show you step by step on how you can change your text font from this to this to this to this to this and also this. Okay, so you can change your text font now, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it in a simple and easiest method. Okay, so stay tuned as we go into the tutorial now. So if you are new in this channel and miracle update, in this channel I teach video editing tutorials and editing mistake you should avoid to keep your video look professional. So if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button and stay connected. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorial. So we are going to use ucut. Click on ucut, then let it open. Okay, once it open, click on the plus icon, then click on new project. Alright, so now import the video you want to add your text, or you want to change the text font. Okay, so I'll be importing a random video here. Alright, so this is the video I want to work with. Okay, so the next thing you should do is to have a text in the video, because you can't change a text font without seeing the text you want to change a text font. Okay, so let's input a random text. Okay, let me input a random text. Alright, so this is the defaulted font you can see over here. So to change a font, just click on this big A and the small a that is over here. Okay, so click on it, then you can see different kinds of fonts that you can add. Okay, so you can add this one, permanent maker, b-bars. You can see it. You can see different types of font style that you can add to your video depending on the parts you want to add it. Okay, so can you see? So this is very awesome. Can you see it? Can you see? So this is how you can add a font to your video. Okay, can you see the font is looking nice? Can you see it? So after choosing the font you want for your video, click on the check mark to save the video. Okay, so once you save the video, you will resize your font, your text. Okay, you will resize it to the place you want it to stay. Then also to add color, click on this color over here. You can add the different types of color you want. So the text, you can choose a random color for the, can you see? You can choose this color. Then the label is like the background you want the text to fall in. So I don't need this right now. So the border is just to wear the text clothes. That's how I see border. Then once you put it, this width over here is to decrease or increase how you want it to appear, the kind of strength and vibe you want it to bring. Okay, so then shadow is to give it a shadow, to give the text a shadow, and you can position it to the left hand side or to the right hand side, or up or down. Okay, so after doing everything, click on the check mark to save your work. Okay, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content tips like this. Okay, and state the next video you want me to do for you in the comment section, and anywhere you got confused or you don't understand in this video, kindly state it in the comment section and I will reply your message and put you through. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.